System of circulation. To obtain oxygen into the blood, the circulatory system, cardiovascular system, pumps blood from the heart to the lungs. The remainder of the body receives oxygenated blood from the heart via arteries. Oxygen-depleted blood is returned to the heart by veins to restart circulation. Healthy organs, muscles, and tissues depend on your circulatory system. The circulatory system is what? The circulatory system is made up of your heart and blood arteries. The major job of the circulatory system is to transport oxygen, nutrients, and hormones throughout the body to the muscles, tissues, and organs. The removal of waste from cells and organs so that your body can get rid of it is another function of the circulatory system. Through a system of arteries and veins, the heart circulates blood throughout your body, blood vessels. Your cardiovascular system is another name for your circulatory system. Vascular refers to blood vessels, and cardio indicates heart. What carries blood around the body? Blood is transported throughout the body through the circulatory system. This blood flow keeps your organs, muscles, and tissues in good condition and functioning to keep you alive. Your body's circulatory system also aids in waste elimination. These wastes consist of respiratory carbon dioxide, breathing, more organ chemical waste products, waste from your food and beverages. How does the cardiovascular system function? Blood vessels, which include arteries, veins, and capillaries, support the circulatory system in your body. Blood is regularly circulated throughout your body via these blood veins, your heart, and your lungs. As follows, oxygen-poor blood is delivered to the lungs through the right ventricle, the lowest pumping chamber of the heart. The pulmonary trunk carries blood, the main pulmonary artery. In the lungs, blood cells absorb oxygen. The left atrium of the heart receives oxygenated blood from the lungs through pulmonary veins, upper heart chamber. Blood with oxygen is sent from the left atrium to the left ventricle, lower chamber. Through the arteries, this heart's muscular portion pumps blood out to the body. Blood picks up and excretes nutrients, hormones, and waste items as it circulates around your body and organs. Deoxygenated blood and carbon dioxide are returned through the veins to the heart, which then pumps the blood to the lungs. When you exhale, the carbon dioxide leaves your lungs. What organs of the circulatory system are there? Only your heart is an organ of the circulatory system. The heart pumps blood to the lungs where it receives oxygen. A component of the respiratory system are the lungs. After that, your heart sends oxygen-rich blood through arteries to the rest of your body. What organs of the circulatory system are there? Only your heart is an organ of the circulatory system. The heart pumps blood to the lungs where it receives oxygen. A component of the respiratory system are the lungs. After that, your heart sends oxygen-rich blood through arteries to the rest of your body. Aneurysms. Aneurysms develop when the wall of an artery weakens and expands. As blood flows through the artery, the weak area may swell. A potentially fatal rupture could occur if the weak region tears. Aortic, abdominal, and brain aneurysms are the most frequent types of aneurysms. Though they can affect any artery, your arteries must work hard to transport blood throughout your body if you have high blood pressure. You get high blood pressure when the force of the blood against the blood vessel walls rises to an unhealthy level. Less blood and oxygen reach organs like the heart as the arteries become less elastic, stretchy. Your risk of cardiovascular disease, heart attacks, and strokes is increased by high blood pressure. Plaque deposits, fat and other chemicals may accumulate in the blood as a result of diabetes and high cholesterol. On the arterial walls, these chemicals accumulate as plaque-like deposits. Atherosclerosis, often known as hardened or constricted arteries, is this condition. Heart attacks, kidney disease, coronary artery disease, peripheral artery disease, and other artery illnesses are all made more likely by atherosclerosis. Venous disease, veins in the lower body are frequently affected by venous illnesses. When blood can't return to the heart and collects in leg veins, issues like chronic venous insufficiency and varicose veins develop. A potentially fatal pulmonary embolism can result from deep vein thrombosis, DVT, a blood clot in the legs. How can I avoid issues with my circulatory system? Your circulatory system can be preserved by taking the following actions. Aim for 150 minutes or more of exercise per week. Consume a heart-healthy diet that is high in fiber and vegetables and low in processed foods and saturated fats. Consider a plant-based or Mediterranean-style diet, as these seem to be the best heart-healthy options. Try to relax in a healthy way, keep a healthy weight, control diseases like diabetes, hypertension, and high cholesterol, get support to stop smoking. The circulatory system is how big? A little under 1.5 liters of blood are circulated daily through your body's more than 60,000 kilometers of blood arteries. What do blue blood and red blood mean? Blood is always crimson. The protein in red blood cells called hemoglobin, which is high in iron, combines with oxygen to give blood its red color. Red blood is characterized as having a high oxygen content. Your veins carry blood with little oxygen. Due to the possibility of blue-looking veins under the skin, this is commonly referred to as blue blood. Although the veins are blue in color, the blood itself is actually crimson due to low oxygen levels. Is oxygenated blood always carried by arteries? Generally speaking, yes. Pulmonary arteries and veins are the exceptions. Deoxygenated blood is delivered to the lungs by pulmonary arteries. The oxygenated blood is returned to the heart by pulmonary veins. Cleveland Clinic's statement. Your circulatory system is essential to your survival. For oxygen, blood is carried by blood arteries to the lungs. After that, your heart sends oxygen-rich blood to the rest of the body through arteries. Your veins assist your body in eliminating waste. Your circulatory system's health can be impacted by ailments including high blood pressure, excessive cholesterol, and atherosclerosis. If you suffer from one of these illnesses, discuss with your doctor what you can do to safeguard your cardiovascular health. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Take care, and keep watching.